Hi, this is Jordan from Rapido Trains Inc., and I'm back again for another Rapido unboxing video. This month we have our all-new HO scale 5820 cubic foot plastic pellet hoppers. These are the Procor hoppers, and we're very excited to have these arrive. They've just arrived in the office, so let's have a look. Plastic pellets are an often overlooked but highly important commodity in the manufacturing world. Almost everything you see that's made of plastic traveled by covered hopper in pellet form at some point. Built in batches from the late 70s all the way into the early 90s, around 1,700 examples were built for Procor and Dow Chemical, which were primarily the largest owners. Designed from original blueprints, photos, and field measurements, our 5820 hopper includes a variety of prototypically correct details, some of which are unique to each version of the car. If you model a modern layout, you will need a fleet of plastic pellet hoppers, as they pretty much travel everywhere in North America. We've got 6 of the cars already unboxed here, and I've got the very cool Union Carbide car here, so why don't I unbox that one? So let's have a look. We'll take off the sleeve, open the box there. Put that out of the way. There we go. We have the 2-piece plastic tray with the car inside it. Of course, you get, stickers. Like I said before, someone's really making a lot of money off these stickers. You've got the instruction manual, which has some information on the cars, as well as the exploded parts diagram. We'll put that aside, and we get a poly bag of various parts. We'll have a look at that again in a sec. Let's take the top clear plastic tray piece off. Put that over to the side, and the base, and unwrap the car. And there we go. That is the Union Carbide Procor hopper. Let's have a closer look at the details. Now this is an as-delivered late 1977 built car. We've got the full etched metal roof walk, which is very nicely rendered there. Now we actually have 3 different type of roof hatch that we've included on these. As an early car, this has the standard round early hatch. If you actually look at some of the later cars, you have the retrofitted ventilated hatch that's on there. And in the poly bag for each car, you also get either the ventilated hatch or the later retrofitted reinforced hatch, which you can put on your car if you choose to model kind of a later date. And that's included with every car. One other thing we have included as well, we have the ACI labels. You could still see them on the cars into the 90s and 2000s, even though they were long out of use, of course. As you can see, we've got full end cage detail, all of the brake piping and plumbing and whatnot you'd expect to see. We even have the etched metal walkway platforms over the coupler on both ends. And standard on all cars is the Barber S2 100-ton truck with 33-inch wheels. Now we've actually included 2 types of outlet gate depending on the prototype. Most of the prototypes in this release have the standard pneumatic outlet gate, but on the Essex hybrid car, we've also tooled the minor outlet gate. This is the car that was used for seed service. This also includes the conspicuity stripe, so if you're modeling the modern era, this is a good car to maybe put on your layout. For the first release, our 5820 covered hoppers are available in the following paint schemes: Procor UNPX blue stencil lettering, UNPX with the solid blue lettering, UNPX with the Union Carbide lettering on the side, BF Goodrich, UNPX Procor solid black lettering in a low orientation. We have the mid-black solid Procor logo, UNPX with no logo, DCLX, which is Dow Chemical, and EHSX, which is the Essex hybrid car. And of course, we have the unique Procor solid blue car, the exclusive for Spring Creek model trains. So that's a quick look at all the details on our 5820s. Now, these cars have just landed in the warehouse and are being shipped out right now. We've still got some stock available, so if you haven't already ordered, please see our website or see your dealer and add these to your collection or to your layout. We'll see you again soon for another unboxing video. Take care now. We have the 2-piece. Quiet on set. Quiet on set. Quiet on set.
They are doing business stuff.
We're recording.